SkyView RF mapping is a unique and useful way to view and display RF coverage, empirical geocoded data, and site technical parameters anywhere in the world from any computer. SkyView software allows you to record, track, and replay stationary or movable assets of any kind from geocoded GPS data. SkyView can be quickly updated with new data within minutes with an internet or data link connection. SkyView can be used for route planning to determine where coverage exists and does not exist. In this example, SkyView RF mapping zooms in, displaying coverage in 3 bands: blue, red, and yellow. Note that the user can zoom in from any angle to view the terrain features and radio coverage. SkyView can show overlapping coverage from individual cell sites. Here we're showing sites being turned off to help determine what sites would need to be shut down to clear a section of road. SkyView can act as a visual aid for target tracking. In this demonstration, you can see 4 individual vehicles being tracked over a period of time. SkyView can help depict spheres of influence and what areas or assets that might be affected. Multiple spheres of influence can be shown at one time, enabling you to see where there are overlapping areas. Note that information can be displayed for individual assets residing within these spheres of influence. SkyView helps keep track of assets. Important information such as geolocation, mission status, as well as time and date of last contact can be shown. SkyView can also display airborne radio coverage signal levels at different altitudes in 3D, as shown in this part of the demonstration. If the target has a GPS receiver from which data can be recovered, SkyView can also display airborne target tracking in 3D. SkyView can be used to track both ground-based vehicles, UAVs, and helicopters. In this view, a propagation study was prepared from a transmitter at a fixed location. In the next view, the mobile transmitter has moved to a new location, and the propagation has been recalculated remotely and sent back to the field to show the new updated coverage areas. SkyView can show historical data tracks. Here we show recorded EVDO data throughput in bits per second. Throughput ranges are depicted in the legend. SkyView can show the accuracy and optimization of propagation models over 3D terrain. In this example, you can see the original coverage from the propagation model. Next, we show the actual recorded signal data over top of the original propagation model. Now we show the optimized propagation coverage model using the recorded signal data. SkyView can also show you where there is no coverage in a network. Note that in this view, the purple color represents no coverage. Using this view makes it very easy to visualize where coverage does not exist. As shown in the demonstration, SkyView RF mapping software can be used to display any type of ground-based and airborne radio networks. With SkyView software, you can also display multiple radio networks simultaneously, empirical geocoded data, target tracking, spheres of influence, and many other types of data from any computer anywhere in the world. SkyView can be updated in quick time from any location and shipped via the web or data link to remote locations to keep personnel in the field up to date on radio coverage, assets, and tracking.